Hello friends, this is me Zahid Hussain. Our computer embroidery designing complete course on Wilcom software is continue, and in this video we will learn about this tool program supply. And I want to tell you that if you are watching this video first time on YouTube or any other website, so for complete course you can visit our website computerhold.blogspot.com. Here you will get all the details about this complete course. So now in this video our topic is program split tool. As you can see that there are different stitch, there are different tools, there are different type of stitches. So there is a stitch tool by the name of program split. We can use this type of stitches in all these punching tools like input A, input B, complex fill, fusion fill, etc. So for example, I have to make this object. First of all we have to lock the image. For example, I have to use this type of stitches program split in input A. So I will make this object with input A. So this is the effect of program split tool. So, okay, we can use this type of stitches in all these tools, and if I click on them, for example, I am making a rectangle. Now I have to make with complex fill, separate zoom. So this is the effect of program split. Now now there are different type of patterns. We can use any type of pattern. Click here first of all in files button. Now click here on this row button. Here you can see that there are many different type of patterns. We can use any type of pattern in any effect. For example, I choose this type of pattern. So now there are different options. There is size, x-axis and y-axis. You can change its size by x-axis or y-axis. For example, its size in x-axis is 6. I am giving him 3. So you can see that. Control Z for undo. Y-axis is 3. I am giving him 6. So this is the effect. There are the spacing of column and row also. You can also change that. All these things we have already learned in the previous videos. So here I will only tell you. You can easily check them. So this is the spacing of stitches. This is the important thing. This is the spacing of stitches. We can less or increase the stitches. For example, it's 0.40. I am giving 1.40. So you can see that. We can also change them by pressing. So our topic has completed. I hope you will like this video. For all updates, for all new updates, you can subscribe our YouTube channel and like our Facebook page. So inshallah we will meet again in any other next video in future. So goodbye, Allah Hafiz.